स्टेडियम। करंट अफेयर सेक्शन के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। होस्ट कौन रहेगा, डेट क्या रहेगा, वेन्यू क्या रहेगा और सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है आफ्टर दिस पर्टिकुलर event which is going to be organized in next year. It is Hello students, welcome back to Pathshala classes. This is Shashwat Dubey, one of the faculty members of Pathshala classes, and today we are going to discuss who is this new host. As the slide suggests, Kho World Cup 2025 is going to be organized, and now that who is going to be the new host for this particular event which is going to be organized in the year 2025. We are going to know the new host for this particular event in the forthcoming slide. So please stay connected throughout the lecture. Without further ado, let's begin. India is going to host the Kho World Cup in the year 2025. 2025 में जो वर्ल्ड कप होने वाला है, खो खो वर्ल्ड कप होने वाला है, उसका होस्ट इंडिया रहेगा. Also, India is going to inaugurate the same. India is all set to host the inaugural of Kho Kho World Cup from January 13 to January 19, 2025 at the Indira Gandhi Indoor, that is IGI Stadium in New Delhi. This historic event marks a significant step towards elevating Kho-Kho, one of India's most cherished indigenous games, onto the global stage. With the support of the Indian Olympic Association, that is IOA, in partnership with IOA and the Kho-Kho Federation of India, that is KKFI, the tournament promises to be a milestone in the promotion of traditional sports. Also that, as far as the event details are concerned, the very first thing to be noted for your current affairs section is the date on which this particular World Cup is going to begin. It shall start from January 13 to January 19, 2025. Also, the venue of which shall be New Delhi IGI Stadium. करंट अफेयर सेक्शन के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. होस्ट कौन रहेगा, डेट क्या रहेगा, वेन्यू क्या रहेगा और सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है आफ्टर दिस पर्टिकुलर event which is going to be organized in next year. It is going to be the first ever Kho World Cup, bringing global attention to this sport. Please do take a note of this fact. This is the very first time that Kho will be recognized as a sport at a global level. And now that India is going to be the host of the same, and this is a proud moment for Indians again, right? Also, as far as organizers and the support of the event is concerned, we are going to look into detail as to who are the partners, sponsors and the collaborators. The Indian Olympic Association, that is IOA, has partnered with the Kho Federation of India to ensure the success of the event. IOA President PT Usha has emphasized the importance of collaboration to raise the profile of Kho globally. KFI President Sudhanshu Mittal has praised IOA support again, calling it a game changer. The international participation, total number of 24 teams from 6 continents, including both men and women categories, are included in this particular sport. Participating countries include India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Ghana, Kenya, England, Germany, Brazil and Australia. You can see the list of countries that are going to participate in this particular sport which is organized next year. So that's all for today. You can have a good glance over this particular lecture. बहुत ब्रीफ लेक्चर है, लेकिन इससे क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं आपके क्लैट और लेट दोनों में. आपके करंट अफेयर सेक्शन में ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. होस्ट कौन रहने वाला है? पहली बार खो खो होस्ट हो रहा है एज अ स्पोर्ट विच विल बी recognized globally. Also, the date, the venue, the partners, as in the collaborators, and along with that, the participating countries, total number of 10 countries that I marked, that are highlighted already. Please do take a note for your current affairs section, which is going to be a relevant part and which is going to be covered as expected to be covered for your current affairs in the ALET and the CLAT exams. So thank you so much for connecting with us. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pathshala Classes for regular updates. Also, you can subscribe to the Telegram channel for getting regular updates and study materials with regard to your preparation for CLAT and ALET 2024. Thank you so much for connecting with us.